it became the premise of our case. Kasi yung desisyon ng Korte Suprema is just the constitutionality of the transfer. Walang nakaakibat na criminal case or liability, no? At ang pinunto ni Ma'am kanina, ano lang yun part lang yun ng mga concurring at mga dissenting opinions. When in fact, it was a unanimous vote na it was unconstitutional. So kaya nga, nandito kami sa Ombudsman para maghain ng mga reklamo na yan. If I may include, meron ding grave misconduct, no? Na hindi na mention ni Attorney Irene, para ma-determine ng Ombudsman ang criminal liability ng dalawang
Criminal and
administrative liability, no? Ng formerly or now DOF Secretary at yung PhilHealth CEO and President.
Sir, when you file po kasi plunder, para po mapatunayan po yan sa korte, kailangan po may main plunderer. Isa po yan sa hinana po ng Korte Suprema po noon. Dito po sa kaso pong ito, sino po ang main plunderer at bakit po?
Actually, ang plunder component dyan, by virtue of his position, si DOF Secretary Recto. Kasi siya yung nag-implement kung sinasabi mo kanina na Special Provision Number 1, specifically paragraph E ata yun, o paragraph D, kung saan lilikumin yung mga reserve funds ng mga GOCCs. Base doon, kaya sabi niya, inutusan daw siya ng legislators, no? Kaya nag-implement siya ngayon ng circular. At kahit labag sa batas ng PhilHealth Charter at ng Universal Health Law, the mere circular ay yun ang nag-violate. Kasi specific yung PhilHealth Charter. Ang reserve funds is for the expansion of benefits of the members or the reduction of the contributions of the members. Yung Universal Healthcare Act, ganun din. Dapat ang reserve funds ay idideposito mo sa mga interest-bearing government bonds or corporate bonds. Hindi i-align doon sa program funds. Kasi nga, the tenet of the law, the spirit of the law is universal coverage. Meaning, lahat tayo should be covered by PhilHealth. E paano ngayon yan? Instead na maghahanap sila ng pondo para tustusan ng 178 billion na kailangan para makover lahat ng mga Pilipino, kinunan pa nila ng 60 billion. Tapos supposedly 89.9 billion 60 lang yung na-transfer. Diba? And they did that to PDIC as well.